My name is Elizabeth, and we're going to do a Prodigy problem. What is the best estimate for the volume of the cylinder? The radius is 2.6 centimeters, and the height is 7.1 centimeters. And the answers are 189 centimeters to the third power, 120, or 110. The formula for a cylinder is volume equals radius squared times height times pi. 2.6 equals 3, and 7.1 equals 7. Pi would equal 3.14, which we're going to round to 3. V equals radius squared times 7 times pi. And 3 to the second power would be 9 times 7 times 3. V equals 189 centimeters to the third power. So the answer of what is the best estimate for the volume of the cylinder is 189 centimeters to the third power.